Today I'm going to a place called Lenan Head Fort. It's on the north coast of the Inishowen Peninsula in County Donegal. It was a fort built by the English in the late 1800s. One of 7 that were built around Lough Swilly to protect it. I think in, 1938 it was handed over to the Irish government, and then I think around 1950 it was abandoned by them, so it's been left in ruin for all those years. So I thought I would come down here and explore and see what sort of photographs I could take. Not much left of the buildings. A lot of them have collapsed. They're made out of concrete and bricks, as you can see. Some of the buildings, all that's left is the fireplaces, and it's almost like a forest of fireplaces. It's just like a ghost town. It's really interesting to explore. This building lost its wooden floor years ago, and in its place is just a pool of water now. One of the old latrines. That's what's left of the toilet. I found what I think was either the jail or was the armory, because there's bars in the windows. What you see left of this fort has been around for over 120 years, yet it was only actively used for less than 40 years. The great thing about being here, there's no one here except for me and the sheep. This is where one of the big guns were. In the 1950s they took the guns out and melted them down for scrap metal. There was 3 9.2-inch guns, and in the 40 years that this fort was used, not a single shot was fired in anger. Look at that view. That's amazing. These are where the guns were. I don't know if you can see it in the distance, but that there is Lenan Head Lighthouse. I've taken a few pictures of that in my day. You can just see it in the distance. think this used to be the base of an old sighting scope for the guns. One of the other interesting things about this abandoned base is that there's actually underground parts to it. I believe it was magazine storage or some sort of bunker, but there's a lot of different ones, and I'll take you through it if I can. That's why I brought the flashlight. These underground passages which link the guns together, which are used for the magazine and storage, are in remarkably good condition considering they're 120 years old. In fact, you can still see some of the markings on the walls which describe what each room is used for. It's pretty spooky in here. This is all still here. Watch where you're going as well. There's holes everywhere. Be careful. The shelves restored. This is one of the old lookout posts with a good view of the ocean and the entrance to Loch Swilly. You could just imagine the soldiers being up here on a cold winter's night, looking out onto the rough ocean. I'm definitely going to come back here again when the light's better. It's a very interesting place. Maybe some black and white, or I'll take some lights and bring them down into the underground bunkers and get some mood pictures. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.